If you need an EA to pass any prop firm challenge, then we have them. And they work. See the link in the description below this video. Now let's get started. In today's video I'm going to delve into and radically improve the very famous indicator known as the Supertrend. I'm going to enhance it in such a way that it will generate pinpoint accurate buy and sell signals for you. And be a standalone strategy which you will be able to use right after this video with an extremely high win rate. So to avoid wasting any time today, let's get straight down to putting this strategy together and head across to Tradingview. This brand new and unique Supertrend strategy works on all assets and all time frames. And to prove that today I'm going to show you the system working on Bitcoin on the 5-minute time frame. Let's start by pulling out this amazing indicator which is called Supertrended RSI, and you'll see that it's developed by the user who goes by the name of Algo Alpha. And while you are in the search box, also bring in the Supertrended Moving Averages which was created by Kevon Ozbilik. Now let's get into detail about the primary indicator in the strategy, which is the Supertrended RSI. Now this new indicator is very clever in how it works, as it takes the traditional relative strength index and it mixes it with a supertrend calculation which gives it a unique and accurate understanding of the current market trend and in which direction we should be thinking of trading. Notice here how the main body of the indicator changes from a teal color to a red color, with the teal indicating bullish and the red indicating bearish. The gray line that you can see, which you may want to change to a different color, is the traditional RSI. And the horizontal line that you can see in the middle is called the midline. Crucially, the indicator is able to accurately highlight when the market is overbought and oversold because we have an overbought line at the top, and an oversold line at the bottom of the indicator. Notice the blue buy signal which appears underneath the Supertrend indicator when the oscillator crosses the oversold sign. And also see how when the indicator moves across the overbought line it issues a red sell signal. If I take you into the settings, you'll see that there are quite a few things that you can change if you want to. With most indicator settings there are usually at least 2 or 3 changes that need to be considered. However, because this new Supertrend indicator is so finely tuned, there is nothing that I want you to actually change in here apart from I want you to uncheck the box that says show RSI moving average, because we just simply do not need it in this strategy. So the buy and sell signals on the Supertrend indicator itself are what lies at the very heart of this trading strategy, because they bring our attention to potential buy and sell entries as well as potential areas of retracement in bullish and bearish markets. Now to turn this strategy into a highly accurate one as far as winning trades go, we blend both of the indicators together, and I'm going to show you what we do with the trended moving average indicator. The functionality of the trended moving average is really self-evident, as you can see on the screen, with the green band telling you when the market is in a bullish trend, and the red band showing you when the market is in a bearish trend. I want you to go into the settings of the trend moving average indicator and change the length of the moving average from whatever you see when you go in there to the setting that I'm showing you here, which is 200. Now that we've got everything set up, let me show you how we use both of the indicators together to take buy and sell trades. Let's start by looking at how we enter a buy trade. The first thing that we want to confirm is that we are in a bullish trend, and that will be extremely obvious to you because the indicator will be green. The only other thing that we need to see to be confident of entering a long trade is a buy signal being presented by the Supertrended RSI. What this is basically telling you is that you are in a bullish market, but the market has made a pullback and is primed to continue its bullish move upwards. For this strategy I have calculated that we can go for a higher profit target than normal. So what I want you to do is place your stop loss just underneath the most recent swing low and target a 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio. As you can see, here is a perfect example of a bullish trade going straight to TP. Let me show you another example of a buy trade. Notice here how we are in a confirmed bullish trend with the green ribbon underneath price action, while at the same time the Supertrend indicates a pullback in the trend by dipping underneath the oversold line, which is then followed by a confirmed buy signal being printed on the chart. Treat your entry and exit exactly the same as the first trade, placing your stop loss just underneath the most recent swing low and target a 1-to-2 risk reward. So if you were risking 1% of your account, you're aiming for a 2% return. To enter a sell trade, just do exactly what we did for the buy trades, but do it in reverse. What I mean by this is make sure that we are in a bearish trend, which will be confirmed by the red band being above price action, and wait for the Supertrend to make a pullback and go over the overbought line before issuing you with a red sell signal confirming that now is the time to place your sell trade. Make sure to place your stop loss just above the most recent swing high and go for a 1-to-2 risk reward once again. Notice how easily this trade goes straight to the take profit level of 2%. As you can see, sometimes the most profitable systems can be quite simple to follow, especially when you are using advanced artificial intelligence driven indicators such as the two in this strategy. If you can incorporate into this strategy a very strict money management policy, then there is no reason why this strategy should not return you profits on your account every day of the week. Yes, you will see losing trades, but every trader in the world sees losing trades. It's how you manage the losing trades with your money management which determines how far you will go in your trading career. Never risk more than 1% on a trade, and with a system like this you will be ahead of 95% of those who just have no discipline. Okay, that's it for this strategy, guys. I hope you can appreciate how easy this one is to set up and follow, and if you want to be notified every time I release a new strategy, then please consider subscribing to the channel, ringing the bell and giving the thumbs up, a like and a share, as it will be very kind of you. And until tomorrow, safe trading.